Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Luffy from One Piece. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start near the bottom and let's draw the nose. Let's draw a curve down and bring it over to the left. And then let's curve it down. Now at the bottom, let's add another small line on the right side. Next, we're going to hop out and draw the eyes. Let's draw a curve up and bring it down on both sides near the top of the nose. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve underneath in the same way. And then inside each one, let's draw a circle. And let's color both of these in black. Now tap on top of each eye and we're going to draw an angled line up for the eyebrows. And that's it for the eyes. Next we're going to hop out and we're going to start drawing the shape of the face. Let's start on the sides next to the eyes and let's draw two angles down and in. And then let's curve it down to a point in the center for the chin. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the mouth. Underneath each eye, let's draw two curves down and in, and then connect them with the curve across. Now let's draw the scar on his cheek. Underneath the right eye, let's draw a curve up and add two lines across. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw a curve up on both sides. And then for the ears, we're going to curve it out and bring it back in underneath. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve down at the top and a small line underneath. Then let's hop down again and let's draw a curve inside. And then one more curve inside this one. Now let's hop back in and let's continue drawing the hair. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a large curve across. And then on the left, we're going to curve it out and back in. And let's draw another curved piece going down. And then let's draw a V-shaped point down and back up to the ear. Now let's hop over and for the right side, let's draw a pointed piece down and up. Another one underneath. And then curve it down to the ear. Now let's hop in and on the left side, let's draw a V-shaped point down. Then let's bring it down and curve it all the way up to the top. Now we're going to leave a gap and we're going to draw a long piece on top of the eye. And then for the next piece, let's leave a gap again and let's curve it down. Bring it up. And then a curved piece on top of the right eye and back up. Now to finish off the right side, let's leave a gap and let's curve it down and up. Another skinny piece. And then a line down to close off the side. And that's it for the hair. Now we're going to hop underneath and we're going to draw 2 curves down for the neck. And then we're going to add a few pieces of hair on either side by drawing a point down and up. And then curve it back into the side of the neck. And that's it for the hair. Now we're going to draw the hat. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a long curve across. And then from both ends, we're going to curve it down and back into the side of the hair. Now let's move back up to the top and let's draw another curve up and back down in the center. Then let's hop up again and let's draw another curve across. And then curve it down on both ends. Now that we have the shape of the hat, let's move in and let's draw some details. Inside the top section, let's draw some dashed lines like this. And the same on the right side. Now let's do the same thing in the bottom section, but we're going to follow the curves around. Let's start on top and let's draw 2 on the top left. And then 4 more. And let's do the same thing on the right side. Then let's hop down and let's draw some more, curving it down all the way to the bottom. And that's it for Luffy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!